In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use the Map Range node to fully control a gradient material. Here are the full nodes. On the BSDF node, I have lowered the sphere's roughness setting to have a reflective surface. Color Ramp node was used to create the basic gradient pattern. This is the Map Range node we'll be using to control the color ramp's gradient color. We can add this node by searching the name. Separate XYZ node will control on what axis the gradient will be used. We can change the gradient by changing the values like this. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.